Now that you've learned how to add content to your lessons and topics within your LMS, I'm now going to show you how to customize how learners engage with your lessons or topics. Let's go to the lesson or topic page and select Setting. Here is where you can customize how learners interact with your lessons or topics. Take a look at Display and Content options. This is where you can include additional information such as any external links or other websites, and you can upload media files such as PDFs, videos, or audio files to use in your lessons or topics. To upload a PDF, click on the document. Select Upload Document, and then choose View as browser-based. And after that, you have to copy and paste a short code preview into the text section. Here, you have fine control over how videos are presented within your lessons. You can adjust display timing, enable or disable auto start, and even decide whether to pause the video when the window is unfocused. Additionally, you can utilize the assignment upload feature. This empowers your learners to submit their assignments directly through the lesson. Next, the optional forced lesson timer ensures that students spend a minimum amount of time engaging with the lesson content before marking it as complete. This can foster a more thorough understanding and retention of learning material. Now, let's explore lesson access setting. This is where you can control the timing and the way lessons can be accessed. Here's the sample lesson feature. It allows prospective learners to preview select course content without the need for enrollment. Finally, the lesson release schedule. This feature lets you decide when a lesson becomes accessible. You can choose for it to be available right away by selecting immediately, or select enrollment-based to make it available after learners enroll, by inputting the number of days to set up the time it can be accessed, or make it available at a specific date and time by selecting Specific Date. These customizable settings empower you to create engaging and effective learning experiences tailored to your learners' needs. Stay tuned for more insights on getting started with your LMS.